In the brightness of a late October morning, the rice fields of rural Pakistan are alive with motion. The harvest is in full swing, sickles flash, threshers hum at the edge of the paddies, and men and women move like a single, purposeful tide across the land. But beyond the main work of cutting and stacking, there is another vital task: gathering the gnar, the leftover straw that will feed the animals through the long winter months. You can feel the rhythm before you see it. A low murmur of voices, the creak of wooden trolleys, the soft slap of straw against hands. Groups of workers fan out across the stubble. They bend, they lift, they tie, quick. Practiced motions repeated until the bundles begin to pile high. There is an economy to their movement, an unspoken choreography learned over years. One man stoops to scoop a handful. Another steps forward to balance it on a shoulder. A child darts between legs, carrying small twine or passing a cup of water. They call to one another across the field. Shouts that are not hurried but certain, names, jokes, instructions, encouragement. When someone slows, another fills the gap without a word. It's hard work, but it's work done together. Every bundle loaded onto a trolley is a promise. Food for the cattle, milk for the children, warmth for the coming cold. By midday, the sun presses down. Dust rises, turning the air golden. The trolleys begin to groan under their loads, and the oxen shift, their weight as if to remind everyone of the day's progress. Work slows, tools are propped against the earth, and a small circle forms beside a thicket or beneath the shade of a lone tree. A battered kettle is set over hot coals. Milk is poured, tea leaves thrown in with no ceremony. Only the practical precision of those who do this daily. They pass steel cups, the liquid steaming into the air. And for a few minutes, the field becomes a small, human space of laughter and stories. The tea tastes of dust and relief. It tastes of the company of men who have worked all morning and will work all afternoon. Conversation drifts from tales of the past, harvest to quick plans for stacking. The straw in the yard. Someone jokes about the oxen's stubbornness. Someone else teases about a wife's rationing of sugar. And when the cups are empty, the circle reforms into a line, hands once more finding the rhythm of labor. As the day moves on, trolleys roll slowly back toward the village, each one heavy with golden straw. Women stand at courtyards watching, ready with ropes and ladders to help unpack and stack. Weave it into neat